Today, we're taking an in-depth look at Samsung's One UI 7.0 beta, set to roll out with some incredible new features. This update promises a revamped user experience, and if you're into sleek interfaces, enhanced performance, and cutting-edge customization, you'll want to stay tuned. The official release date is projected for November 17th, though there's a good chance we'll see early access for some lucky Galaxy S24 Ultra users in select regions like the United States and South Korea. However, early betas are known to be buggy, so to let you up for some glitchy surprises, it might be wise to wait for the second or third release for a more stable experience. One of the most talked about features is the Dynamic Island Style Pill, a small but powerful addition Samsung's rolling out. Placed at the bottom of the screen, this pill functions like a dynamic control center, a hub where you can control everything from your music to alarms, much like Apple's version, but with Samsung's unique twist. This isn't a direct imitation. Samsung actually introduced a pill-shaped timer widget back in One UI 6.0. Now, with this new update, they're expanding its capabilities, allowing multiple apps to integrate seamlessly. Samsung is also redesigning the media player on the lock screen, moving from a smaller widget to a full-screen option. Imagine a music experience that feels as immersive as it looks. One UI 7.0 delivers just that. Beyond aesthetics, this upgrade aims to make it even easier to navigate your media, with smoother transitions and enhanced animations that make using the interface feel incredibly fluid, giving Android users that sleek iOS-like fluidity. On the functional side, Samsung is rolling out improvements to its Circle to Search feature, adding support for math and physics problems. Picture this, you're stuck on a tricky problem, circle it on your screen, and voila, the solution appears. This feature, designed to simplify problem solving, is a small touch but a massive win for students and professionals alike. Security has also received a significant boost in this update. Expanding on the auto blocker from One UI 6.0, users can now enable maximum restriction settings, effectively making the device nearly hack-proof. Enhanced security features include blocking connections to insecure Wi-Fi networks and outdated 2G networks, minimizing security risks for users in a connected world. Switching gears, let's talk about Samsung's updated camera experience. The new One UI 7.0 update is simplifying the camera app, breaking out AR features like AR Doodle, AR Emoji, and AR stickers into separate apps available on the Galaxy Store. For those who use these tools, this transition makes the core camera functions much easier to access without the clutter. And with AR Emoji's rebranding as Galaxy Avatar, Samsung is taking a step closer to a unique and streamlined brand identity, emphasizing customization and user-friendliness in its AR ecosystem. In addition to software enhancements, Samsung is leveling up its flagship Galaxy S24 Ultra. What better way to test it than comparing it to Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max? The iPhone 16 Pro Max has gone bigger with its 6.9-inch LED display, while Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra sticks to 6.8 inches, but with Samsung's AMOLED tech and anti-reflective coating giving users a viewing edge outdoors. Apple's LED leans into warmer tones, while Samsung's AMOLED presents cooler shades, a difference that's often down to user preference but certainly noticeable side by side. Samsung's inclusion of the S Pen, along with faster charging at 45W and reverse wireless charging, gives Galaxy users a solid productivity edge that's absent in Apple's lineup. When it comes to performance, Apple's A18 Pro chip built on a 3M process gives it a slight advantage in sustained performance, especially during prolonged usage. But Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is no slouch, particularly in gaming. Both companies have prioritized efficiency and heat management, but Apple's chipset tends to handle extended sessions a little better. On the camera front, Samsung's 200MP main camera is a beast, but Apple's optimized 48MP setup often produces more natural tones. Samsung leans into vibrant colors, while Apple keeps things realistic, a long-standing difference that continues in these flagship models. For low-light photography, Samsung's larger sensor can capture extra detail, though the iPhone's coatings help reduce glare, giving it an edge in certain scenarios. In the battery department, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery holds a slight edge over Apple's 4,685 mAh, giving it a bit more longevity for those long days of intensive use. Samsung's support for faster charging and reverse wireless charging also adds convenience, especially if you're in a hurry. Finally, comparing software, One UI offers deep customization options, but iOS remains a simple and polished experience, allowing each OS to cater to its unique user base. Samsung has also hinted at extending One UI across other devices from tablets to smart TVs and even household appliances. The larger rounded notifications, redesigned icons, and new widgets contribute to a cohesive look that users will enjoy across multiple Samsung devices. However, not all anticipated features will be part of this initial One UI 7 release. Some AI capabilities, including an iOS-like AI notification summary, are expected to arrive in One UI 7.1, making this update even more exciting for users eagerly waiting for Smart Assistant features in their devices. As Android 15 continues to roll out across devices, Samsung's staged release for One UI 7 has raised some eyebrows, especially as other manufacturers like OnePlus push swift updates. But Samsung's extensive market share means that even with a delay, they have a big role to play in shaping the Android ecosystem. For users, this means enjoying a blend of Samsung's unique design and Android's latest innovations, setting a standard for Android updates that balance speed and stability. So, that's the lowdown on what One UI 7.0 beta has in store. From enhanced user interfaces and smarter features to boosted security and Samsung's evolving ecosystem, this is a beta that delivers on multiple fronts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay up to date on everything Samsung, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'll see you in the next video for more insights and deep dives.